friends! Welcome to the Little Robot Friends app. Today we're going to show you how to create expressions for your new robot. Why? Because every little robot friend needs a big personality. Let's begin! First, make sure you've downloaded the Little Robot Friends app for your Chromebook, Mac, or PC device. Check out this link if you need to download it. Do you have the app downloaded now? Great! Using the app, you'll be able to set and create custom expressions for your robot with a simple drag and drop. The app will also help you learn about the different sensors on your little robot friend and a few fun things about music. But first, you might be wondering, what's an expression? Just like you and me, your robot also has different feelings and moods. But your little robot friend needs your help creating and uploading them so we can show you when it's ready to play and when it's ready to sleep. There are two ways your little robot friend can express itself. The first is through colored light patterns from its LED eyes. The second is through sounds from its speaker mouth. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's jump right in! This is the main page of the app. In the middle of the page, you'll see your little robot friend's character type, like ghosty, spiky, or curvy, and the name that you set for it. You can change your robot's name whenever you like. There are 7 icons around the robot: hair, left hand, right hand, mic, light, motion, and brain. These represent the different parts and sensors on your robot. If you can't remember which icon represents which sensor, then just click on the Help button here. Got it? Okay. Let's choose the hair sensor and set an expression. On the left sidebar, you'll see a reminder of which sensor you've entered. This one's the hair sensor, which is a touch capacitive sensor. Underneath are the types of events you can set for this sensor. For example, you can either tap, tickle, or hug. On the right side, you'll see a selection of preset expressions, like happy hello, excited, very annoyed. Scroll down to see all the types of expressions we've helped set up for you. Before you learn how to map an expression, let's click on a preset expression. How about hello? Click on the hello circle. There are 2 tiny circles that appear next to it. The play icon lets you preview an expression. Let's click it and try. Awesome! Our robot just said hello. Now the pencil icon lets you edit or customize the expression. We've just entered the expression creator. Hooray! On this page, you'll see a few different things. On the right side is our sound editor. On the left sidebar, you'll see pattern controls. Color A is the starting color of your pattern, and color B is the ending color of your pattern. All the buttons below are the types of transitions you can apply to your color pattern. Let's try it so you can see. Set color A to red and set color B to blue. Now press the play button here. Voila! Now let's have some more fun. Let's apply a transition. How about zigzag? Cool! If you couldn't see the transition pattern your robot expressed, then it might be because the duration of your sound bars is too short. We'll learn how to extend these expressions later. Now that you know how to create colored patterns for your robot's eyes, let's learn how to compose different musical sounds to make an expression. This is the sound editor. There are different notes on the scale, like G sharp, F, E, C sharp, and more. These blue adjustable bars represent sounds. You can create up to 4 sounds in an expression. Change the type of note by dragging your soundbar up and down the scale. If you click on each sound, a few more options will appear. The top row represents intonations. There are 5 intonations here. Starting from the left to the right, we have flat, rising, falling, peaking, and dipping. The bottom rows represent octaves. The darker the blue, the lower the octave. The lighter the blue, the higher the octave. Let's try it and see how your expressions sound. Now here, we only have 3 sounds set in our expression. It might be nice to have another one. Click on the Add Note button for additional notes. Remember, you can create up to 4 notes. You can see how many notes you have left to add to your expression here. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound the way I want it to. Looks like the new note we just added is too short. Let's make it longer. On the end of each blue bar is a little handle. Click, hold, and drag the handle to extend the duration of a sound. That sounds much better. How about creating a pause between our last 2 sounds? Click, hold, and drag the soundbar to the right to create a pause between sounds. The greater the space in between, the longer the pause. Now let's name the expression we created. Awesome! Our expression is done! Now let's exit the sound editor page, and we're back here. On the top row, you'll see a new category called My Expressions. Under it, you'll see the expression you just created. It's time to map our expression to our little robot friends. Let's hold and drag the expression over to the tap event. Now, when you tap your robot, that's one touch on the hair sensor, it'll play the expression. Congratulations! You just learned the basics of creating and setting an expression using the Little Robot Friends app. Go forth, create awesome expressions for your new little robot friend. Share them with us and stay tuned for more tutorial videos. See you later!